Counting clouds. Complete the story. As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, another little cloud called out, "Come, let us play." As two little clouds danced in the sky so blue, another little cloud asked, "Can I join you?" As three little clouds held hands in the sky, the wind blew another little cloud very close by. As four little clouds decided what to do, another little cloud joined them very quietly too. Santini Govindam. Now write what the fifth and the sixth clouds did. Counting clouds, counting clouds na tangatse ni timbala na tisara tangatse gyogi timbala na tisara. Dene timba mangbola shira da timba mangbola zama dengan digende ke indi to kemia shira. Counting la zama da tangatse gyogi ni dila kasa timba tinsara tokdo don de yesra tadi diro chaisar bodum to. Complete the story ra da dum di chasang chisho alar ra da din sam konzo ge tesha ra. As one little white cloud floated lana kilde wa ra nga chugang la shu sha na kilde ra dina shi nam ga la timba kilde ra in the sky one day ani haza nye shi las ra ani timba chunju shi timba ka chunju shi an nam la pushimbe kapsu as lady get digital kora kapsu another little cloud called out ani kasa timba chunju shemba shigeya ke tang res ke ya res called out lana ke ya. Come, let us play. Show anzo ani tsimtse ko was ra nam gi anzo let's read the let's play le ma boya ti ya let us let ma tam shukra. Then as two little clouds danced in the sky so blue, ani takaza timba chunju ni di ani namlala nam pe ngombo jina lola ani tsimtse shibe ka sorry she thap shibe ka las another little cloud asked ani ya khaza timba chunju shiki ya kitires can I join you nga kiranim dala jushu china digre wele jara join na ya jushu chudra join you jara. As three little clouds held hands in the sky and kondu sunga ani kasa timba chunju sunga di lagwa juchera held hands la zama lagwa juche lagwa julan tati yan nam la jin lagwa kyang de baru sa ko isra konas pa pinju ma gyochi in the sky nam nang lo la ani lagwa jin kyang che de shi be kapsla the wind blew another little cloud very close by and lungi ani ya kasa timba chunju shemba shi putchera lungi bugya tangche konzo damla very close by la sama dam konas dam shu kile sumus ra. Then as four little clouds decided what to do ani kas timba chunju shidi ye ani tache sawjila ra konas khari chige imba tache saw kapsla another little cloud joined them very quietly too ani ya timba shimba shige konas kasati konas chunju dia pe kusubu shinera quietly la zama chinga zuchwa ro da ke goji mana di zusons ra konzu zushu che sons nyamda dene that decided la di khare kono se khare che ba tha che la ro ta khare tha che la di mise kemda de la piche susu che ra. Now write what the fifth and sixth clouds did. Dene ta khali le do ra shiwa ngawa de khali khaza kusim su juswa ani ta khare chishoas khare ani chupa ngawa da chupa ra timba din zoge khare chieme chishola ra ta beche dusta jam khonzo ya join shi chambala an khachi du chawaro shi kya ro do on ro chi ne chi tu na chi ra ni on de chi ta ya da di chi zel cha